Class 6 children, this is the time to do map work. So we are doing map work from your first chapter of history, that's name is what, where, how and when. In this chapter there is a map given, map 1, and its name is physical map of the subcontinent. Children, map work require more and more practice. So better it is if you bring your atlas or your blank map, physical map of India, and your pencil or eraser. Keep watching this video and keep doing the practice. Keep filling these all the map items in your map. Right? So let's start. See the first location, that is river Narmada. Now we are going to find Narmada Valley. This is the area where thousands of years back some people used to live, and these people were hunter and gatherers, right? So find out Narmada Valley, river Narmada and surround it Narmada Valley, right? Now find out Suleiman Mountain and Kirthar Hills in northwestern direction. Here you can find it on western boundary of the country Pakistan. This is the area where human beings started to grow wheat and barley around 8,000 years back. They used to live in villages and they used to tame animals. Right, children? So this is the area of Suleiman Mountain and Kirthar Hills. Now point 3. Here you can find out Garo Hills. So Garo Hills, where it is located, here you see in Seven Sisters area, just above the arm of Bangladesh, right? So this is Garo Hills. As well as find out Vindhya Mountain in central part of India. You see here in the north of this river Narmada, Vindhya Mountains. So Garo Hills and Vindhya Mountains, these two locations are very important. So these are some of the areas where agriculture developed, or the places where rice was first grown are to the north of Vindhyas, right, children? Next, you people find out river Indus and its tributaries in your map. So here a civilization developed 4,700 years ago, and this civilization is known as Indus Valley Civilization. You find out the river Indus, and you can see its tributaries. These are Satluj, Ravi, Vyas, Jhelum or Chenab. So in these rivers valley, a civilization developed known as Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization. People used to live here 4,700 years ago. Locate it in your map. Now let's go to the next point, and the next point is find out Ganga and its tributaries. So Ganga and its tributaries, this is the area where 2,500 years back some villages were there, a civilization was there. So people used to live here, or this civilization was known as Vedic civilization. And later on you find out river Ganga and its tributary Son. So here there was a Mahajanapada, Magadha, now lying in the state of Bihar. So here we have located these areas in your map. These are river Narmada, Narmada Valley, Suleiman and Kirthar Hills. Point 3, Garo Hills, Vindhyas. Point 5, river Indus and its tributaries. Point number 6, that is Ganga and its tributary Son, and the area of Magadha. Right, children? As we are doing map work, then let's do some other things also which are mentioned in your map. So these are, here we have done river Indus, here we have done river Ganga. So river Ganga having some tributaries. So here you can find out one is river Yamuna and one is there Chambal. Locate these both in your map, and here it is shown. There is one more river, one more very important northern river. So this is Brahmaputra. So in northern part of India, these three rivers flow. These are Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. These three river systems are there, right? Now let's see rivers of peninsular India. There are two rivers which flow from east to west. These rivers are Narmada and Tapi. Means they join Arabian Sea. Right? This is it. After that, there are four rivers. They pour their water in Bay of Bengal. So these rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. So these main four rivers are there. Right, children? So total 6 rivers we have done in peninsular part of India. Do you know what is peninsula? The landmass which is surrounded by water from three sides is known as peninsula. Here you can see one side there is Arabian Sea. In the south, here you can see Indian Ocean. And here in the eastern part, southeastern part of our country, you can see Bay of Bengal. So this is the landmass which is surrounded by water from three sides. It is peninsula. Right, children? Now see some other physical features also which are given in your map. There is in northwestern part of our country, there is given the word Thar. So actually it is Thar desert, right? In the north here it is Himalayas, Himalaya mountain, right? Or here the word is written here Deccan. So this is the area of Deccan Plateau, right? Now here it is Western Ghats. What is Western Ghats? Actually, this is a mountainous range, which is located in the western edge of the peninsular part of India. So this is Western Ghats. Or in the eastern edge, there it is located Eastern Ghats. Right, children? So here we have done these some physical features of India which are given in your map. Now see Indian island groups. So Indian island groups are Lakshadweep, here it is located in Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So children, here we have done this entire map work which is given in your chapter number 1 of history. That's name is what, where, how and when. And again I'm saying you, map work require practice. Take your own map, keep watching video, take pencil and eraser and keep doing the practice. Thank you.